So today I'm about to show you how to enable auto scroll in Flowith IO step by step. If you want smoother navigation while your workflow grows or generate outputs, this will help you move around easily. Let's get started. First, open Flowith IO and go to your project. Once you're inside your workspace, you can start navigating your canvas smoothly. To move around the canvas, hold Shift from your keyboard, then pan across your workspace freely. You can also click on any empty space, then left click and drag to move the canvas in any direction. For zooming, use your mouse scroll wheel or trackpad gestures to zoom in or zoom out smoothly. This gives you full view of your workflow, especially when working with large visual maps. If things get messy, click the one-click layout button located at the bottom left of your screen. This will automatically reorganize your nodes, bring branches closer together, and reduce the need for scrolling. And that's it. That's how to navigate smoothly in Flowith IO. If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. I'll see you on the next one.